Welcome to Mathematics in the Modern World. So before we start, I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm Nadine Zapanta from AV Psychology. So today we talk about bond price. So we will explore what a bond price is or define what a bond price is. So is to represent its present value determined by discounting its future cash flows or coupon payments and principal, using a discount rate that reflects current market interest rates and the bond risk, and also how it is calculated and why market interest rates have a big impact on bond value. What is a bond price? So, bond price is all the present values of the coupon payments added together plus the present value at the maturity date. The interest that bonds typically carry is paid semi-annually. Are everywhere. Governments use them to build infrastructure, companies use them to build operations, and investors rely on them for stable income. But the question is, how exactly do we determine what a bond is worth? So by understanding bond pricing, you see how mathematics help us make financial decisions in the real world. So now we talk about the formula of bond price. So we have V, which is bond price, CP equal to coupon payment, F, par or face value, T is for time, RC is coupon rate, and the RR is required rate. So we have now B, which is bond price, equals CP, which is coupon payment, over or divided by 2, open bracket, 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus RR, which is required rate, over or divided by 2, and then close open parenthesis to the power minus 2t or time, and then over RR, which is required rate, divided by 2 or over 2, and then close bracket, plus F, which is par or face value, over or divided by open parenthesis 1 plus RR divided by 2 or over 2, close open parenthesis to the power 2t or time. Now let's move on to the practice problem 1 or example of the bond price. So we have here Ayala Land Inc. or Incorporated issues a 5-year bond with a face value of 100,000 to fund a new commercial center in Cebu. The bond has a coupon rate of 6% paid annually. The current market interest rate or required rate of return for similar bond is 5%. So the question is, what is the fair price of this ALI bond? So now, so to get the relevant or the bond price for the question number 1, kailangan muna natin makuha yung coupon payment. So, paano nga ba makukuha ang coupon payment? So, the formula of the coupon payment is CP equal F multiplied by RC. So, again, yung F natin is face value times RC is coupon rate. So, we have here 100,000 multiplied by 0.06 equal 6,000 pesos. So, yung 6,000 pesos na yon, yun na yung gagamitin natin na coupon payment sa ating formula. Natin yung coupon payment. So, now, kunin naman natin yung ALI bond or yung bond price. So, again, the formula B is bond price equal to CP coupon payment divided by 2 or over 2. Open close bracket, 1 minus open close parenthesis, 1 plus RR or required rate divided by 2 power of minus 2 times T, which is yung time, and then over RR again, record rate, divided by 2, then plus F, which is yung phase value, over or divided by open close parenthesis 1 plus RR again, divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 times T, which price equal to 6,000. Why 6,000? Yun the total lang coupon payment natin kanina over 2. Again, copy the formula. So we have here 1 minus close open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0.5. Bakit 0.0.5? Again, yung required rate, yung RR. So, over 2 or divided by 2 raised to the power of negative 2 times 5, which is yung time. Over 0.0.5 divided by 2, then plus yung 100,000. Again, bakit 100,000? Yung coupon payment po natin. Copy ulit the formula. 1 plus 0.0.5 over 2 or divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 again multiply by 5 years, which is time. So the total of our alley bond or yung bond price is we have here 104,376.02. So ito po yung total ng alley bond or ng Ayala Land Incorporated. So, for the summary of this topic or lesson, market interest rates have a big impact on bond value because bond prices adjust so their returns match your current market conditions. So, if mataas ang interest rate nyo, bababa ang bond prices neto. If mababa naman ang interest rate nyo, mas tumataas ang bond prices.